Welcome back to our critical analysis. Join me as I dive deep into Amaka Sunnberger's controversy and challenge myself to uncover the truth behind NIDCOM's alleged bias against the Igbo community. Today we will unpack the Amaka Sunnberger's controversy and discuss the implications of NIDCOM's action. We will take a closer look at the allegations of favoritism leveled against NIDCOM. When I say NIDCOM, N-I-D-C-O-M, particularly as they relate to the Igbo community. These claims have sparked outrage and left many questioning the organization's commitment to fairness. At the heart of the matter is Amaka Sonnberger, whose story has brought this controversy to the forefront. As we explore the details, it becomes clear that NIDCOM's action have far-reaching implications, not just for Amaka, but for the entire Igbo community. The public's perception of NIDCOM has taken a hit, and many are left wondering if the organization can still be trusted to serve the interests of all Nigerians. Many have questioned why NIDCOM has seemingly turned a blind eye to the plight of the Igbo people and why Amaka Sonnberger's case has been met with such resistance. The answers to these questions are complex, but they are critical to understanding the root of the problem. We will delve deeper into the allegations and explore what they mean for the future of NIDCOM. Let's not forget that NIDCOM's action has consequences that extend far beyond Amaka Sonnberger's individual case. The organization's perceived bias has potential to exacerbate existing tensions between different ethnic groups in Nigeria. It's essential that we examine these allegations thoroughly and hold NIDCOM accountable for their actions. Let's explore the background of the issue, including key players involved and previous incidents that may have contributed to this tension. To understand the full scope of the controversy, we need to look at the events leading up to Amaka Sonnberger's ordeal. This includes examining NIDCOM's past actions and statements as well as the response of the Igbo community to perceived discrimination. By doing so, we can identify patterns and behaviors that may have contributed to the current situation. Amaka Sonnberger's story is just one example of a broader issue, the systematic inequality faced by the Igbo community in Nigeria. For years, there have been allegations of marginalization and discrimination against the Igbo people, and NIDCOM's action have only added fuel to the fire. By examining the historical context of this controversy, we can better understand why it's so critical that NIDCOM addresses these allegations head-on. The root of this controversy runs deep, and it's essential that we acknowledge the role of past incidents in shaping the current narrative. From allegations of unequal treatment to outright discrimination, the Igbo community has faced significant challenges in Nigeria. NIDCOM's action needs to be seen within this broader context, and the organization must take responsibility for its part in perpetuating these inequalities. At the heart of this controversy lies a pivotal moment that highlights the core of the accusations against NIDCOM. Let's take a closer look. One particular incident stands out as a turning point in the Amaka Sonnberger controversy. The moment when NIDCOM seemingly ignored her plight, sparking widespread outrage. This incident has come to symbolize everything that's wrong with the NIDCOM's approach to the Igbo community. By examining this pivotal moment, we can gain a deeper understanding of why the allegations against NIDCOM are so damning. It's not just about Amaka Sonnberger's individual case, it's about the systematic failures that allowed this situation to occur. NIDCOM's response to Amaka's plight has been seen as a defining moment, one that has exposed the organization's biases and reinforced negative perceptions. We can't ignore the role of social media in amplifying Amaka Sonnberger's story and drawing attention to NIDCOM's alleged bias. Online platforms have given the Igbo community a voice, allowing them to share their experiences and express their grievances. This has put pressure on NIDCOM to respond and has forced the organization to take a stance on the allegation. As we dissect this pivotal moment, it becomes clear that NIDCOM's actions have had a far-reaching consequences. The organization's perceived bias against the Igbo community has sparked a wider conversation about systematic inequality in Nigeria. This conversation is long overdue, and it's essential that we continue to push for change. In summary, we have examined the critical aspects of the Amaka Sonnberger's controversy and its relevance to the community, the Igbo community. We have looked at the allegations of bias, the historical context, and the pivotal moments that have shaped this controversy. What are your thoughts on this situation? Be sure to comment below and check out our other videos for more insights. Thanks for watching.